All right, after these are stuck on there, which this one's giving me troubles, but we'll keep an eye on it. We're gonna add the little flower. So we just put a little bit of water in the center, put our two flowers together, let them maybe sit for a second, and then place them on the cake. Now it's a little trickier with this one. We don't want to push them over. Add a little bit of water, just hoping that some of the spots will make contact and will kind of stick. So kind of place it on there like that. Same with this one. And this actually, believe it or not, is going to help them hold this one together. And I'm going to put a little center. You can do a little round dot, or you can do a little, you know, like up. Oops, these aren't working, but like this in the center if you want. I just made little dots today. All right, next we're going to add the sand and the shells, and then we'll be finished. All right, next we're going to put the sand. Now I have some raw, pure cane sugar that we're going to use. It looks like little pieces of sand. You can also use graham cracker crumbs, or you can use brown sugar, whatever you like. And just kind of sprinkle it however you like, just kind of all over. Now you can add a little bit of buttercream on the board first if you're going to travel with this, so it kind of sticks. But this one isn't going to go very far. Alright, so after you put the sand, you can put as much or little as you want. And we're just going to take our shells and just kind of place them on here. Just kind of randomly. I'm not in front of the cake here, so it's going to be a little bit tricky, but you might need to rearrange them a little bit differently after you step back a minute, but go ahead and just place them on there. And here we go. Here's our flip-flop cake. You can personalize it by writing happy birthday or bon voyage, depending on the occasion. You can write it on the flip-flop itself or on the cake board. And it was relatively easy and quick, and all out of a quarter sheet cake.